Interested in taking an electric skateboard around Miami? Well, join Electric Skateboard Tours of Miami to skate through Miami Beach safely as a group. Our Miami Beach tour begins with a 12:30 p.m. water taxi cruise from Bayside Marketplace. The water taxi allows you to save precious battery while seeing parts of Miami only seen from the water. Once you arrive at Miami Beach Marina, the skateboarding portion of the tour begins as our guide leads you through Miami Beach towards South Point Park Pier. You'll have a chance to soak in the best spot in all of Miami Beach. Maybe even see some manta rays. Before speeding along Ocean Drive, this high-octane portion of the tour allows you to reach top speeds while cruising the most iconic part of Miami Beach. You'll zip along Ocean Drive and pass through the historic Art Deco district before taking a break at La Sandwicheria to have lunch, which is included in the tour. After lunch, your guide will take you back through Miami Beach along the boardwalk. You'll get a chance to people watch as you cruise back through the beach, passing directly through the new artisanal market. Our guides are extremely knowledgeable of the history and share stories while pointing out Art Deco buildings along the way. You won't want to miss out on this monthly electric skateboard tour through Miami Beach. So if you ever thought of skateboarding through Miami Beach, do it with Electric Skateboard Tours of Miami.
Alright, that's Monty's. When you take the water taxi, you get 10% discount at Monty's.
Our friendly guide will make sure you skate through all of Miami Beach while abiding by all the rules. Finally, the water taxi will take you back across Biscayne Bay, showing you the remaining portion of the boat tour route, including the entire downtown Miami skyline. So join Electric Skateboard Tours of Miami for the best way to see all of the Magic City.